cat. Have you seen Sunny anywhere?
I don't know.
Sunny, where are you?
What do you think it could be? We better check.
So I was looking for Ruby the baby cat the whole time until I found out.
Video. Because you can't even see her. It's just a pair of eyes.
So my cat was hiding all day and I came in the closet to come find her. And then I went to go grab her.
I wonder where Penny is hiding. Oh, that looks familiar.
Yeah, that's the stairs.